Unbelievable deals on classic cars. From a rare 1959 Plymouth Sport Fury for just $1,000 to a roaring 1986 Trans Am at $2,500, these project cars are packed with potential. Don't miss out on these jaw-dropping finds. Which one will you restore to glory? 1970 AMC Ambassador SST 2000. This 1970 AMC Ambassador SST is a true vintage gem with a 304 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and has only 85,000 miles on it. The current owner recently installed a new floor pan, but the car is being sold as is and will need to be towed. This could be a fantastic restoration project or even a great trade opportunity. Specifically, the seller is open to swapping it for an embroidery machine. The exterior and interior are both finished in a classic brown, a solid foundation for a collector's next big project. (1974) Oldsmobile Cutlass 2000. For fans of classic Oldsmobiles, here's a 1974 Cutlass sedan with only 71,000 miles. It's highway ready with a clean title, a brand new carburetor, and a brake booster recently installed. The off-white exterior pairs with a gray interior, making it a sharp-looking vehicle. This car runs and drives great, and its affordable price makes it an excellent entry-level classic car for enthusiasts. (3) 1963 Ford Falcon. Next up is a 1963 Ford Falcon, a timeless compact car with 88,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 170 engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. Although the car currently isn't running, it has excellent brakes and holds strong oil pressure at 45 psi. It will need some work, particularly on the generator and distributor, but with its clean title and solid condition, this Falcon offers a promising restoration opportunity for vintage Ford lovers. (1978) Buick LeSabre Landau 2,500. This 1978 Buick LeSabre Landau is a well-preserved classic with a 350 motor under the hood and 91,000 miles. The car runs and drives and has had some recent updates, including new brakes, brake lines, shocks, and a headliner. The green-on-green color scheme is true to its era, and the seller also has optional 22-inch rims with new tires for a custom look. It's described as a great starter project and is perfect for those looking to restore an old-school cruiser. (5) 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, $3,000. Here's another Falcon, this time a 1964 Futura with a 190 inline 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. This car was parked 3 years ago and hasn't been started since, but it was running well with no smoke before being stored. The seller emphasizes that all components are intact, with solid doors and trunk. It's described as a sturdy project car ideal for restoration. With its blue exterior and classic design, this one is ready to shine again. 6. 1975 Plymouth Valiant, $1,000. For just $1,000, this 1975 Plymouth Valiant is a one-owner car with 32,000 miles. The current owner got it running and driving in the yard, but it will need some work to be roadworthy. Tires, a tune-up, and fuel system attention are all on the list. The white exterior and green interior give it a vintage look, and it's sold as a cash-only deal. Don't forget to bring a trailer for this budget-friendly project. (7) 1975 Mercedes-Benz. a 1975 Mercedes-Benz for $1,500. This classic luxury car runs and drives but needs to be trailered due to its current condition. It's in need of brakes, tires, and some minor engine TLC. Whether you're looking for a restoration project or a good parts car, this vehicle offers great potential. The seller notes they're unsure of the exact mileage, but with its timeless design, this car could easily turn into a prized possession with the right care. Eight, 1963 Ford Galaxie 3000. This 1963 Ford Galaxie is a sleek black classic with only 65,000 miles. It features a manual transmission and is described as running great. However, it needs some restoration work, including floor pans, bumpers, and brake repairs. The seller is open to trades, making it an enticing project for enthusiasts looking for a solid platform to build from. Ton 9. 1975 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL 2000. Here's a project-ready 1975 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL in a striking red finish. This car runs and drives with extensive work already done, including new fuel injectors, fuel lines, a water pump, and more. However, it still needs a timing chain and rear brake lines. Both the hard and soft tops are in good condition, and the sale includes a new set of carpets. Bring a trailer for this vintage luxury convertible. $10. 1966 Ford Station Wagon, $2,800. This 1966 Ford Station Wagon was originally a City of Marietta Fire Department vehicle, painted fire engine red with a siren on the roof. It features a 289 two-barrel engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car runs but needs a tune-up, fluid changes, and brake repairs as it's been sitting since 1994. The body is solid except for the driver's front floor pan. This piece of history is offered with a bill of sale only and rolls easily, making it a fascinating project for restoration. Entry 11, 1959 Plymouth Sport Fury, $1,000. A true classic, this 1959 Plymouth Sport Fury is priced as a project car or parts vehicle. It includes a Chrysler 318 motor and transmission, both of which need rebuilding. Concealed with its clean title and vintage appeal, this beige beauty is a solid starting point for a restoration or a source of hard-to-find parts for other classic Mopar projects. 12, 1979 Plymouth Volaré, $2,500. This 1979 Plymouth Volaré was one of 3 cars built for a music video. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, air shocks, and new tires, it's a solid project with no rust on the body, solid floor pans, and a trunk in great shape. While it runs and drives, it has been sitting for a year and will need work to bring it back to its full potential. The seller is open to trades for older vehicles, making this an exciting opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. 13. 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Crossfire, $2,800. This 1984 Chevrolet Corvette is running and driving with a 350 Crossfire engine and 4+3 manual transmission. The car comes with 2000s Camaro wheels and is described as in good condition, though the top is cracked. The seller is open to trades for practical vehicles like a transit bus, step van, or enclosed trailer. A great option for someone looking for a unique and affordable sports car project. $14. 1986 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, $2,500. This 1986 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is a T-top model with 95,000 miles. While it's not currently running, the seller believes it may only need a $100 ECU to get going again. It features a 305 TPI engine, disc brakes on all four wheels, and has been upgraded with air shocks, MTX subs, and an Alpine amp. The car includes newer seats, carpet, and even gloss white paint if the asking price is met. The seller is open to trades for JDM cars or other fun vehicles, making this Trans Am a versatile and exciting project. That's it for today's incredible lineup of classic project cars. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing car finds. Your dream restoration might just be in our next video.